Hey everybody, are you ready for your math word problem for the day? Today's story problem is going to be one where we need to use addition. So let me read it to you and then we'll work through it together. I wanted to be outside again because today's story problem is about butterflies and flowers. All right, here we go. The question at the top says, how many butterflies? 7 butterflies sat on the flowers. 2 more butterflies sat on the flowers. How many butterflies in all? Okay, you know that we're talking about butterflies. You also know that the question at the end says, how many butterflies in all? That lets you know we want the total amount of when all the butterflies came together. That lets you know that that is addition. We're going to be adding. So the first thing you're going to do is look and see how many butterflies did we start with. And the very first sentence tells us 7 butterflies sat on the flowers. All right, so we know that we started with 7 butterflies on the flowers. If you look, one way you could solve this problem is by drawing a picture. So we've got flowers and we have butterflies, I'll scoot this up, sitting on the flowers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So just like our word problem says, 7 butterflies. So we're starting with 7. 2 more butterflies sat on the flowers. So in order to figure out how many in all, we need to draw 2 more butterflies sitting on the flowers. All right, so we started, if you were going to draw a picture to solve this word problem, you look at how many you started with, that's 7. So we have 7 butterflies. Now we're going to draw 2 more. So let's do that. Let me get my marker. And I draw one right up here because 2 more came along. All right, I'm gonna draw some little antenna. So again, we had 7. Now we have 2 more joining them. So the way to solve this, if you're drawing the picture, would be then to count how many in all. You had 7, 2 more came along. Let's count and see how many we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2 more would make 8, 9. 9 butterflies. So I'm going to write 9 right here. That's one way you could solve this word problem. Another way you could solve the word problem is if you had a number line. So look right here, I've got a number line numbered from 0 all the way to 10. We know in the word problem we started with 7 butterflies. So you would find 7 on the number line, and I made us a little butterfly. See if he's going to cooperate with me. I'm going to have him fly down and sit by that 7, okay? Because we know we started with 7. How many more joined the 7? Do you remember? Yes, 2. 2 more butterflies sat on the flowers. So if you used a number line, you would find the number that you've started with, and then you just count up 2 more spaces. So we started with 7 and we're going to count up 2 more. I'm going to move over here. All right, and we're gonna go here and then here. 7, 2 more would be 8, 9. So 9 is our answer, 9 butterflies. That's another way to solve it. One more way we could solve it is by writing out the equation, okay, or the number sentence. We could say 7 plus means add, 2 more equals and we would put the answer right here. This is how you would write it. Again, you could draw pictures to solve the word problem. You could use a number line to solve the word problem. You could use a 10 frame. You could use counters or manipulatives at home. There are lots of things you could do to solve that problem. So here, 7 plus 2 equals 9, and that's what that addition problem would look like. So, how many butterflies in all? 9. Okay, use some of these strategies as you go solve some more word problems today. Remember, pay attention to what you're being told in your number problem, all right? Look for that information. You know, you started with 7, 2 more came along, and that gave us 9. Lots of ways to solve, lots of ways to work. Go try it. Have a great day.